channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a palette bingo, and this time I'm going to be using the palette that I got in my BoxyCharm this month, well, last month in July. And it is a PUR Festival palette, the 2.0 Festival palette. I really like the packaging in this palette. It's super pretty, and this is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty. I love all the shades, and the reason why I'm doing a palette bingo is because I love all the shades and I just couldn't decide what shades to use, so I rather just do a palette bingo and hopefully it picks out shades that go together. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to get 5 or 6 shades out of here, but I am going to be using my random number generator, and I'm going to put 1 through 12 because this palette does have 12 shades. Okay, so here is my random number generator. I'm going to generate the first 3. So I got 2, 6, and 3. And I'm going to write them down so I don't forget. And I think I'm only going to do 5. So let's generate the next 2 numbers. 10 and 6. Okay, I already got 6. 9. So 10 and 9. I already feel like this is going to be a bad idea. So 2 is this shade right here. It's called Pure Bliss. 6 is Insta-Worthy. 3 is Photo Op, this pretty brown. So let me swatch these first. So this is 2, 6, and 3. And I also got 10 and 9, and 10 is Utopia. 9 is Utopia and 10 is Electric. It is pretty blue. Okay, so this is going to be very, very random. And here is the color story I have to work with today. I got 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. So hopefully I could create something with this because I'm not sure if these 2 match the blue, or I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, before I begin, I am going to be priming my eyes with the NYX pigment primer, this one right here. And I will be doing this off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I already primed my eyes and I did set it with white shadow. So I think I'm going to be using the Photo Op in my crease very lightly, this brown one right here. I'm not sure how well this is going to look, so wish me luck. Oh, this is pretty. I feel like the palette smells like chocolate milk or something. Okay, now I'm going to be using a blending brush with no product to blend out the edges. Okay, so this brown shade is really pretty. Okay, so now I'm thinking of using shade number 6, which is the Insta-Worthy shade, this like pink shade. I'm going to be putting that one in my outer V. Oh, that was really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see it. I think this pink is like a dusty pink. I'm really bad at explaining colors. Okay, so I think I'm going to be putting that same pink under my lower lash line. And I think this is a wrong brush. Okay, so now I'm going back into that brush with a brown, but with no extra product. I'm just going to softly touch the edges so they could blend out. now I think I'm going to add the shimmers because that's all I have left. And I am going to be putting glitter primer on my eyes. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer. I'm going into this blue shimmer, which is called Electric, this one right here. And with the same brush, I'm just going to apply it on the center of my eye. That looks really pretty, you guys. Like so. And I'm just going to flip the brush and I'm going into Utopia. And I'm going to put that on the rest of my eyelid. That's really pretty. And I'm just going to go back and forth from that Electric and Utopia until they blend in together. So now I'm going to be getting a little bit of this shade right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. This one right here, which is shade number 2, and that one is called Pure Bliss. This one right here. And I'm going to be using this round brush. I'm just going to put like a little line and try to blend it into the blue. So I'm just going to go back and forth from that blue and that shimmery rose shade, or gold. Now I'm going back into the brush that I used for the pink, and I'm just going to try to blend this out. Like so. Okay, so now I'm going back into Pure Bliss, the little white gold shimmer that I used right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner using the same brush. And maybe I might wet it, but first I'm going to apply it like that, see how that looks. And I am going to drag it down my lower lash line. That looks really pretty. I feel like the shimmers have a little bit of fallout, but it's not that bad. Gosh, hopefully I wasn't looking orange that whole time. But anyways, I already put the shimmers right here. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this other eye. Okay, so now I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The eyeliner that I'm using on the top is a Hank & Henry Lickety Black liner. And for my waterline, I am using the LA Colors Shockwave Neon Liner and the shade Electric. And for mascara, I'm using the Superhero Mascara. And on my lips, I am wearing the NYX This Is Everything Lip Oil in the shade Sheer Blush. And it's this one right here. I got this one in my Walmart beauty box. So anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like how this turned out. I know it's super shimmery, but I just love the shimmers. They look so pretty. And I'm in love with this palette. I'm super happy that I got it in my BoxyCharm. The shimmers did have a little bit of fallout, but it's not that bad. Super shimmery. I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but it's really shimmery and I really like it. I think my favorite shimmer so far is Utopia. this one right here. So I'm super happy that I have this palette. It's super pretty and I'm just really obsessed with the shimmers. And I really like the Dusty Pink, the Insta Worthy shade, this one right here. That's the one that I put on my outer V. I think it's really cute and I feel like I could wear that shade just by itself. So yeah. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys have this eyeshadow palette, and let me know if you guys like it, and also let me know if you guys want to get this palette. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.